This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation coming to you from home base with some updates and not promising news to getting the car home, but we're going to do it. Amtrak put a suspension on the moving rail cars that we wanted to do so back in June, so now we're not going to get the train cars PC1 and PC2 done. We're going to skip it. We're not going to get them Amtrak certified. We're going to just run it behind 2926 as it is. West Coast tour is on hold indefinitely, and we need to raise the funds here pretty quickly so we can get the J. Marie home in a timely manner, so that way we can get it behind UP and BNSF. We need the funds here now. We're running out of time. So make sure to donate. Links will be in the description down below. Make sure to check out HelloFresh as our sponsors over on Twitch. Any money we make from them will go for J. Marie. If you make sure to copy the code link and stuff, and make sure it's make sure to validate it, because in that way it helps us out to get the car home sooner. We need the funds, guys. We're running out of time, and it's going to take a week to get it home via BNSF. So let's try to get the funds raised a little bit faster, guys. Let's step up the game. And if you're the owner of Redwood Empire or any other car that you don't want, please feel free to message us if you want to donate, because then we can help you out. Because with this ban, it's going to hurt private rail cars, it sounds like. But maybe it might change after a certain amount of time. I don't know. But let's do it, guys. Contact info will be in the description down below. Just email me, and we'll talk to there. So, please, guys, help us get to the goal. Because look at where we're at already. We're pretty far ahead. Because on both the GoFundMe and the bank account, we're already at 3,000 in total. 3,000 something right now. So we're up there. But if we can get the goal to where it need to be, we can get the car home faster and get it ready for railroad days. So let's do it, guys. We need all the help. Please and thank you. Have a great day. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation coming to you from the studio and home base for the headquarters. As you guys can see on the screen here, we need to get the J. Marie home, and the ways you can help us get her home. As you can see, this flyer is to help bring J. Marie home, and we will be set up this year again like we were last year at New Mexico Heritage Railroad Days 2025 with a booth. We'll have our merch on display, but we won't have anything available to buy, but you can get it on the store. But we'll show you what we have available on our merch store, so that way you'll see what we have. That way you know what we have to offer. We'll have our shirts on display, mug, hat, everything you can think of on display. We're going to have pictures for sale. This time we're going to go a little bit bigger on the picture, so if you want the bigger ones, they're available. Come and get it at the booth. $10 per picture for donations, or I may do it at $5, depending on which one it is. Because we are in a time crunch, because we have to bring J. Marie home via UP to BNSF, so we gotta get going, because it takes a week to get the car home. And we gotta put it with 2926's rolling stock. So, please help us get the J. Marie home. Scan the QR code on the screen. We need your help, guys. If you guys own Redwood Empire or any other cars and you don't know what to do with them, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to either buy it or you can donate to us. Link will be in the description down below. Just message me at extremerailfan@gmail.com to get a hold of me for the railcars. You can message me there. I'm on Facebook on the main group, but I don't usually check messages on there, but I do on my email. So just email me with your name, number, and if you have a railcar or not, and I'll talk to you on the phone. That way we can go over some stuff. Because right now with the Amtrak ban, I think some of these railcar people could fall and lose a lot of money. So let's try to get at least the cars home to a new location so that way we can run them. Because if we can get the J. Marie here and the other rail cars, we'll be able to run behind 2926 when they do runs. So that would be good enough for us. Consider donating today. Help us out. And let's get these cars home. Let's try to do at least a 4-car train behind 2926. Behind the tool car. That way we're out there ready to go. And we'll take passengers down the road once we get everything certified. Ready to go. So J. Marie only holds 12 at a time right now. So we'll be only holding 12. And once we have her home, we were gonna do a West Coast tour. That's on hold indefinitely right now. We're not gonna bother getting the car certified. I know it says certification, but that's when we found out we can't do that right now because the Amtrak's not doing it. So we're not gonna do it that way. But I can say this: we're already at we're at 3,000 something right now in the account in total between the GoFundMe and the bank account. So we're doing good. Consider helping us today. Let's raise the funds. Who knows? If you can help me get it now raised before middle of August, beginning of September, we could get J. Marie home in time for Railroad Days and before the Santa Fe trip. So let's do it, guys. The historic lounge car, worth saving. And it's going to be real cool. You're going to get to see it on the main. You'll see me and the team on there. We'll be out and about. So, and also at Railroad Days at our booth, we will be doing meet and greets. So if you want to come meet us, come and meet us. You're welcome to come meet us, talk to us. If you want photos, we can do photos. Whatever you guys you like to do. So that way you have it. Just make sure to tag Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation and give credit to us because we are trademarked and copyrighted. So, and we're based out of the state of New Mexico, so we're registered with New Mexico. So you want to be careful with anything and stuff. So just come and see us. Come say hi. Let's do it, guys. And we won't have tours yet of J. Marie because we don't have her. And we won't have her debuted at Railroad Days until we get the car unless we get the funds raised pretty quickly. Thanks again, everyone. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, out.